Jasmy essentially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The EMA 50 generally is presently at $0.007, or so they truly thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin by and large is drifting at $87,003,429, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy fundamentally in a real sense has its quite next opposition at $0.006, or so they by and large thought. 27 November 2023. In this video we will walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense explicitly attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally clarified pressing issues, facts. What really is pretty genuinely transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, especially is Jasmy a sort of wise speculation? Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, fundamentally let us in a real sense discuss the for the most part current economic situations. Market examination over the quite last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,392,958,938,316 in a kind of for the most part enormous way. The sort of especially complete exchanging volume remains at $51,887,486,523 in an essentially large manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large basically has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely critical. Which all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95%, which especially is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, showing how Jasmy fundamentally acquired roughly 4.08% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in an especially enormous manner in an unobtrusive way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time span, exhibiting how Jasmy sort of has its for the most part next obstruction at $0.006 in an extremely significant manner. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere near 3.54 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents in a fundamentally sort of enormous manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so forth in a quite huge manner. These occasions truly show that the market most certainly is going in a genuinely descending heading for present moment, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin basically is floating at $87,003,429 in an especially certainly huge manner. Right now, a very broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of enormous manner, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing that market examination over the last 24 hours, there by and large truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316 in an extremely significant manner. Support is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become reasonably commonly more really dynamic and basically generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so the EMA 50 basically is presently at $0.007 in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers fundamentally become move really dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so support generally is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become in every practical sense all the more exceptionally dynamic and explicitly basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So the EMA 50 truly is presently at $0.007. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The actual sort of current Jasmy coin cost certainly explicitly is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the very beyond 24 hours, which in every practical sense shows that furthermore. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which entirely all expectations and objects is very critical. Presently, Jasmy in every practical sense is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value investigation. Jasmy cost examination for 27 November 2023 inside a pretty by and large everyday time period generally made sense of beneath, most certainly further appearance, how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, for the most part is somewhere near 3.54 and at present exchanging at 60 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEXRSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to especially by and large examine the future development of the Jasmy coin, especially further appearance, how right now, a reasonably truly broad sort of extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is very critical, or so they especially thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the especially most certainly signal line after a hybrid, showing how Jasmy sort of acquired roughly 4.08% inside the by and large most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day outline, showing how the MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how Jasmy truly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the for the most part, most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI, for Jasmy coin certainly is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days extremely normal line, which especially implies Jasmy generally is in oversold zone, and a pattern pretty inversion sort of is conceivable, so Jasmy coin financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline. Showing how the MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how Jasmy especially acquired roughly 4.08% inside the actually by and large most recent 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. While Jasmy's Williams %R marker truly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign truly is entirely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which merchants basically become move in every practical